And this is going to change my life in so many ways. I mean, I already have so much more confidence.
Just be your best self.
Are you on Facebook? Are you on Facebook? See the book running? See that book running, did you?
Yeah.
It's daft, really, isn't it? Anyone sitting there, is there?
I guess not. No.
Oh, you're sitting there beside you. Oh, God. Nice fucking cat there.
Yeah.
See him?
Mm-hmm.
What type of breed of cat is that?
Do you have cats?
I used to have one.
Yeah. What happened to him?
So this is real stuff that's field tested.
Died.
How?
Well, see, the owl lad, he had a big bucket of water for the cows. And then the cat, being a curious fucker, jumped in, called him the next day, and he was just mixing mitosis. Is that what they call it?
I don't know.
He was just sad doing it, and I just remember digging a big hole and throwing him into it and going, oh, God. Can't beat the cows, because they don't have as much emotion as a cat, we'll say.
Oh, okay.
So you can say anything to them.
Oh.
I'd be fucking shouting loads of shit at them. Were you ever in a three-way?
No.
Try it out. I was in one before and I went badly. Ended up
Why?
shagging two lads. Can I try a few chat-up lines on you?
I would prefer if you wouldn't.
I know, yeah, but you listen. I'm gonna do it anyways, so.
To annihilate all the competition.
Your eyes are like chestnuts because they make me nuts tightened.
Okay.
Are you leg sore?
No.
Because you've been running around my mind all day. Do you know why they call that a waist?
No.
Because you could fit two more tits there. Remember those walls I built? Baby, they're tumbling down. Baby, I can see your halo. Ah, God. Nice lips.
Thank you.
The ones between your hips.
Like us and laugh at our jokes and have great times with us and love us.
I don't know. Them ones. They're nice though.
Thank you.
Do you ever do Botox? Apparently Westport is the Botox capital of the world. Do you know that? That's where Kim Kardashian gets all of her stuff pumped into her.
Oh, really?
Do you want to hear a little secret about me?
Uh-huh.
I have got a massive knob. Massive knob. Honestly. As soon as I look down, I'm like, what the fuck? I got scared.
Okay.
Honestly. It's so
Yeah.
big. The outlet said you can probably see into the future. So what's the story with you letting people like, you like going to the Mercantile and place like that? Dicey's going jiving, dancing.
Yeah. It's nice music.
Can you do a bit of salsa?
Yeah, of course.
Can I do a bit now?
No, we're good. We're
No?
good. Yeah, let's just do it.
Crows, in fairness to them, they're smart little boys because apparently they can remember up to 10 faces. Homes.
Yeah, that one remembers yours.
Seems to know. Look at them there, just doing laps of the town.
You know
Cheeky cunts.
what? I have to go now.
Sound, yeah. Where?
Yeah.
Will I walk you to where you're going?
No, you're fine.
All right.
Fine here.
Do you want to meet tomorrow here?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here, bother. That's the bag there.
Yeah, thank you so much.
That's your bag.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. See you soon.
To becoming judged by many of them the best pickup artist in the community.